This is the Junior Shark Tank, where hopeful entrepreneurs get a once-in-a-lifetime chance to pitch to the sharks in hopes to get an investment to start, grow, or save their business. The entrepreneurs must convince the shark to invest the full amount of money that they're asking for, or they will walk away with nothing. If the sharks hear a great idea, they're ready to invest using their own money and they're willing to fight for a piece of the action. Who are the sharks? They are self-made millionaire and billionaire investors who are also entrepreneurs themselves. Otis Spunkmeyer was the first 7-year-old boy to reach millionaire status on his own. Now age 11, he is the #1 junior software inventor of the world. Darcy Mundy used only one loan to create her own fashion line. She now owns 300 different stores worldwide. She's only 10, but her age never stopped her success. Catherine Dobreva started her career as a filmmaker, but eventually created a real estate business worth more than $4 billion. This 16-year-old knows how to make money. Gemma O'Day is known as the Home Shopping Network's queen. She has created 400 products, has 800 patents, and in her 15 years of life has managed to make more than $4 billion.